Hi, welcome to my channel. As most people know, we need yeast for the bread or pizza dough to rise. To proof dry yeast, we need warm water and sugar. Testing the yeast will save you time, money, and effort. If you have a thermometer, even better, because you can measure the temperature of the water. The water needs to be warm. You don't want a flat dough and having to start all over again after having the dough for an hour or two trying to rise. Ideally, the water should be at 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, you can put your finger inside the water, and if you burn your finger, the water is too hot. So we stir the sugar in the water, in the warm water, and I'm measuring again. And now it is at 100 degrees. Then add 2 to 3 grams of yeast and stir again. You can put the whole package if you want, but you don't have to. Let it sit on the counter for 5 minutes, and after that time, if the surface of the water looks foamy or frothy, the yeast is alive. That means that the yeast is alive and you can use it and go ahead. If you don't get anything, it's dead. You have to start all over again, or you have to get a new package of yeast. And that's the yeast after 10 minutes. Chaito. Hope it helps.